is Shreyal here. If you don't know me, get to know me. And today I have my little sister with me and we are going to try a new product and review it. So it's Origenz Premium Hair Care Combo, which contains of Amla Powder, Reetha Powder, Shikakai Powder, Bhringraj Powder and Hibiscus Powder. And it's a hair product. Really quick, I'll just show you, I'll just tell you its information. It's pure and natural and no added chemicals, synthetic activities or any other kind of impurities, to be precise. So I have received it and we are gonna try it and give the honest review for the products. So my hairs are not that good lately and it's gotten oily and stuff. I wash them thrice a week, so yeah, we're just gonna use it. I'm gonna use it on my hair. Actually, Shreyal here is also gonna use it because we have like a little different texture in our hairs. And the main thing is that these products, they help your scalp and hairs, like both scalp and hairs. So yeah, let's just try it. I haven't even opened these yet, so yeah, we'll open it right now. Guys, these are so easy to fill, by the way, and it is just so satisfying. Shruti,
and he has a so defective.
Now what we're gonna do is, Shruti, just hold it. We're gonna take a spoon powder. This is hibiscus powder. No. Then we have Reetha powder. Reetha powder.
Then we have Amla.
We have Amla. And then we have Shikakai. And last we have hibiscus. Oh sorry, Bhringraj.
Hibiscus.
This is super easy, you guys. Now you just have to mix it and just add water to it. Bas. So mixing it.
Wow.
वेगळंच दिसतं ना.
मला ते काही क्षणांनंतर आता चॉकलेटच दिसतंय. Look guys, it's melted chocolate.
Looks like melted chocolate, you guys. I just hope that it doesn't fall on our clothes. I'll put it on.
First I'll just smell it. अच्छू नहीं.
The smell doesn't matter, but the powder smell is really good though. Now we are going to apply this on my pakad beach head.
दाखव मी लावून देतो मॅडम. तू मला लाव, मी तुला लावतो. So guys,
you can put it on your scalp also. Wait,
you have to put it on your scalp
and hairs, both.
I think just use the hairs and do like tickly.
Yeah, I think you should use a hand only. What is this? This is so fancy.
Yeah, but it is fancy.
Yeah,
it is the proper way.
No, it is not the proper way. By the way, you can totally use your hand because I think for my YouTube video I'm using this because you have to look a little fancy on YouTube, no? You can put it literally.
I will put it on your head.
Yeah. I think I'll do a time lapse, you guys, because why not, right? Guys, and I have applied it on my hairs. I'll show you. Pura laga diya hai maine. Now all you have to do is wait for 30 minutes and then wash it off, and then I'll show you how my hairs look and everything. And my hairs are long, right? So if your hairs are long, you can use a little more product. Like I told you to take 1 spoon, so you can also take 1.5 spoon, because like so that all hairs are covered. So yeah, so I'm gonna come back in like 30 minutes after washing my hair. See them.
Guys, look at my hair.
Guys, look at Shruti's hairs. Woo! The shine and everything, you guys. And my hairs, they're looking so great. So I think that the Origenz product are so great. All the links are in description, so you can buy it too.
So guys, I really think this is a good product. You should buy it.
Yeah, I think it's really great. Like my hairs, they're so soft. Okay. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Bye you guys, I love you. And don't forget to buy Origenz product on Amazon or Flipkart. I have links in the description and you can totally buy it. It's Shreyal Ahir approved.